The part that I miss the most about my childhood would be
Simplicity.
Doing stupid pranks and running away with it.
There was no judgment involved.
Yes, I'm afraid of being judged to a certain extent.
Like when we were children, everything was okay, whatever you do.
Being forgiven for everything.
People would take it light, basically.
The freedom to express.
Not being judged, because we're always judged as adults.
I miss my the pampering I used to get in like at home.
उस टाइम पे ऐसा होता है कि आप जो मर्जी बोलो, जिस मर्जी को बोलो, कोई बुरा नहीं मानता है. और अब जब बड़े हो जाते हैं तो सोसाइटी और सोशली आप बिहेव करने लग जाते हैं.
Being carefree.
In my childhood, I was more carefree. Being carefree.
Not giving a shit about anyone.
Not worrying about everyday life. Being able to play and be imaginative and create worlds without knowing what it really is and what the world's really about.
बचपन में बहुत शरारत करता था.
The innocence that we had, we don't have it anymore.
The time I spent with my family, I've been away from my home for like 5 years or so, and I really miss that part.
मतलब बचपन एक अलग सा ही रहता है.
And the pampering we used to get, the kind of pampering we always got in childhood is on a completely different level.
अभी भी मुझे लगता है कि काश मेरा बचपन होता तो मैं इधर उधर कूद सकता था. कोई बोलने वाला नहीं रहता है बचपन में.
I didn't have to care. I really didn't have to care about anything, which I really miss now.
My old friends.
तो मुझे मेरी मम्मी मेरे को स्कूटर पे बैठा के हलवा खिलाती थी, मैं वो मिस करता हूँ.
The games that you used to play outside, go cycling, play.
Because when you're a child, you don't care about earning and settling. It's just chocolates and things that make you happy.
Like it was too much fun playing things outside and going like out with friends.
I really like traveling. And I used to travel a lot when I was a kid.
I used to be the smartest boy in class then.
Eating my mother's dishes and all.
The TV shows were better.
Playing cricket in the street.
The part when I could actually go out and play whenever I want. I could spend 4-5 hours playing cricket or football.
The freedom you have as a child, you just do whatever you like. You don't care about how people think about it.
Nothing. I had a horrible childhood.
You can run around naked in the streets and no one gives a fuck.
Just that carefree attitude when I didn't have so many of those responsibilities and everything.
Probably I think it's the innocence.
Swings, just playing all the time and not having to bother about anything else.
I don't really miss anything. I like growing up.
Can I be really honest? I was getting so much more action in school now.
I used to play roller hockey for India.
And get action because of roller hockey.
That's what I really miss. The real action and the action off the field.
69 was just a number back then.
I miss my parents taking care of my problems because now I have to do everything on my own and it pretty much sucks.
Looking at Pokemon and not getting aroused by Misty.
Well, my uncle used to touch me. Okay, just kidding.
That you can sit in any girl's lap and she won't mind it.
I used to score a lot in school when I was a child.
You get lots of kisses and that's considered innocence.
What is the part do you miss the most about your childhood?
None, because I'm still a big child. Yeah.
Hi, this is Walter White.
And hi, this is Heisenberg.
If you want to watch more videos, you can click here.
Click here to subscribe.
Okay, subscribe कर लेना.
Subscribe करना.
हाँ.